Hi everyone, welcome to Hojinx Motors Garage, the home of affordable quality transformations. Today, we will repair and respray the boot door and rear bumper of a Nissan Note. Twende kazi. First, we remove the rear windscreen and repair the dents. Fitting is done, and thereafter, the affected panels are sanded down to smoothness. Primer is sprayed, and thereafter, the undercoat and final paint coat is also sprayed. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.